Sandra Ambrose Clark, owner, ESJ Carrier Corporation, without a doubt truck and trailer repair.
Tamara Harkavy, CEO and Artistic Director, Artworks.
Pam Lowe, Senior Development Consultant, Fifth Third Bank.
Jody Trucor, Cincinnati College Outreach, Committee Lead, Network of Executive Women.
Janice Urbanek, Executive Director, Partners for a Competitive Workforce.
I have a vision for a better society, and I believe that society is one person at a time. And if we take the time to mentor individuals and help them, to teach them integrity, character, and hope, that we will build a better society.
It's important to mentor because I think we can all benefit from past experiences of other women and teach those who are coming up behind us and help coach them so that they can have success in their lives too.
Everyone's qualified to be a mentor, no matter what your age, your gender, or your experiences. We all have things that we can share with others.
I feel that sharing my successes and failures throughout my career, as well as helping to guide others into their future careers, is a great way to give back to the younger generation.
I think it's really important to be a mentor, to give back. I've been particularly blessed with having a number of mentors through my career and through my life, and I want to give back.
I come from a long line of inspiration. My mother, my grandmother, they came to this country, they left a communist country, they didn't know anyone. My father, who was the pillar of love and character. I guess people who inspire me are people who are not quitters.
So glad to say I'm inspired daily by my staff, by the kids that we work with at Artworks, who we hire as apprentices, who are just phenomenally talented and eager and passionate. I'm inspired by other business leaders. I'm inspired by my mother.
Today's young professionals inspire me. They're driven, they're smart, and they want to make a difference in the world. Everything I've learned has been through the reverse mentoring relationships I've had with young professionals.
I would say there's two women in my life that have inspired me. First and foremost, my mother. I also had a fellow coworker that battled breast cancer, and she was an inspiration to me, telling me that every day is a good day. And I've lived on through her.
People who inspire me are those who are able to really match up their skills with their passions. I read a story one time about a woman who had a particular passion for fly fishing, and she learned about that women who are coming through breast cancer treatment and surgery have a particular issue with rebuilding the strength in their arm and in their shoulders. She was able to match her passion for fly fishing with a recovery program for women recovering from breast cancer. That's an example of someone who's just really inspirational to me, someone who can really blend their skills with their passions.